Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to blur image here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Blurring an image in Canva is a simple process that can add a nice effect to your design, such as creating a softer background or adding emphasis to text over an image. Once you are logged into your Canva, you might want to click on the Create a Design option or open the project that you are currently working on. In my case, I'm going to be choosing a blank YouTube thumbnail because I am going to upload a thumbnail after recording this video in our Deep Laughs YouTube channel. Alright, so for now, I'm going to upload a specific image here. Okay, this is the image that I wanted to work with. Now, for you to be able to blur it, all I have to do is click the edit button here. Select the image first, click edit, and there's going to be an option here that says blur. You see that? You can intensify the brush size. You see? That's going to be adding a blur. Now, that is selecting the brush. For example, I wanted to blur the face right here. You see that? The purple indicates the surface area that's been affected. You see? The blur has been totally applied to the face. All right? If you see the purple, it's not like painting the face with a purple brush, but instead it indicates the surface area that's going to be affected by the blur. If you're not happy with that, all you have to do is click on undo, so you would revert back to its original form. Now, that is isolating a part of the image. If you wanted to blur the whole image, all you have to do is click on the whole image. You can adjust the button here to see the intensity. If you wanted to blur the whole image, you can do so as well. Right? So if you wanted to lower that, you're welcome to do so as well. That's one way. So these are going to be your option in blurring. Now, the idea is, why blur an image, if you ask? Now, blurring an image can make your text. For example, I'm going to be adding a text here. For example, this one right here. I'm going to edit this to make it like 100. All right, so the idea is that the text will stand out on the background. You see? It can create a depth of field effect, making the design feel more dynamic and professional, right? If you click on the play button here on the preview, you would notice that the blurred background can give a softer, more subdued backdrop for the more complex design. And of course, you can easily create a blurred effect for images in Canva, adding a touch of style and focus to your designs, all right? So basically, that's it. And of course, you can always revert back to its original form once you are satisfied. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.